Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an AI tool which is having all the templates especially for research paper writing. Starting from your title to end of your references, especially in order to make literature review. So this tool will be very helpful for you. So let us go on to today's video and explore the tools and different types of templates available in them. And then I am going to show you some of the important templates as a demo for you. So let us go on to today's video. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. And the important thing is that I am going to show you a live research paper writing using all the AI tools. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. See you on our workshop. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that our own LMS AI tool. So it is the new updated website of our LMS AI research support. So here you will be having different options here in this dashboard. So here you will be having our AI, LMS AI. So just click on this LMS AI. So it leads to the different types of LMS AI templates here. So here you can see starting from summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, plagiarism prediction, and then chatbot, blog article, generate MATLAB code, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text. So these are the different templates are available. So here the first thing I am going to tell you is that chatbot. So just to click on this chatbot. So it's like a normal tool, that normal chatbot. So you can log in with your ID, mail ID. So after that it leads to the dashboard of this chatbot here. So as like you ask in any of the chatbot like ChatGPT, Google Bot, that is Gemini Pro, and then Cloud, Llama, Copilot. So whatever the model may be. So as like this you can enter your prompts. So according to your research prompts, so it will generate answer for you. So for example, I am going to ask generate an introduction for the research paper titled IoT based applications in detail. So like that I am going to give an input here. So and then just to click on the option send. So automatically the chatbot will analyze that research prompts and it will give perfect answer for you. So here you can see the introduction for a research paper will be generated easily through this chatbot. So here you can see that the Internet of Things has emerged as a transformative force across various sectors, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and environment. So like that a perfect introduction for your research paper will be generated as like this. So you can do it for all of your research prompts. So you can ask to write an abstract, ask to write a conclusion. So whatever you want, so you can give your own prompt and you can generate answer using this chatbot. So you can make use of this option in this chatbot to generate a better content for your research paper. So only thing is that, so please give your research that is research prompt very precisely. So as for the research prompt only, it will generate perfect answer for you. So the next that is the next template I am going to showcase you is that literature review templates. There are 5 different literature review templates are available in this AI tool. So here you can see starting from literature review, reference to content, detailed literature review, chat with paper, and chat with PDF text. So here in this, in order to make an instant literature review, so here you can click the option called literature review. So just add the references, automatically that references will be converted into literature review. So here you can see that just I have added some random references here, 5 references. So that references will be converted into literature review. So in order to make an instant literature review, you can use this kind of template. So here you can see the main findings and the limitations associated with all the paper will be generated here. So this is how you can use this literature review template in order to generate an instant literature review. So the next template is that reference to content. So it is also a same kind of template, so where you can copy and paste the 5 references and you can add the citation style of that references, and then you can do the same here. So just by giving send, so you can get the literature review for that particular references you have given. So you can use the same template for literature review writing in order to make instant literature review writing. So in order to make a detailed literature review, or else so if you want to make a review paper, so you can use this option called a detailed literature review. So in this detailed literature review, you are asked to give the specifications of your reference papers. So you have to add the title, abstract, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. So after giving all the specifications, so you will get a perfect detailed literature review. So here you can see that, so I have given all the particulars, that is title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. So automatically the detailed literature review for that particular paper will be generated. So it will give the summary of the paper, main findings of the paper, and what are the limitations associated with the particular paper. So this is how the content will be generated in this detailed literature review template. So whenever you are making a SEA paper or a review paper, so you can use this kind of AI template to generate better content for you. So next one is chat with paper. So you can copy and paste the content and you can ask any questions you want, so it will generate answer for you. So next, chat with PDF text. So in this chat with PDF text, so you are asked to upload your paper. So you can, here you can use an option called choose file, and you can upload your paper, and then you can select the pages. You can get the page wise analysis of your reference papers. So that will be very helpful for those who are making review paper. So this is how this literature review templates works. All these 5 templates are especially designed to make a perfect literature review for your research paper writing. So the next template is that so after completing all this, so you have to paraphrase and reduce plagiarism in your research paper. For the 2 templates is available, so especially paraphrasing and plagiarism reduction. So you can use both of the templates to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. The important thing and important design in this templates is that, so without changing the core meaning of the content, it will paraphrase the content you have given, so and it will give you a perfect paraphrased version. Surely your plagiarism will be get reduced in this particular templates. So next one is explain the table. Surely a research paper must contain tables, pictures, etc. So in order to get a perfect explanation of your table, so you may take results from your that is the experiment you have conducted. So from that you can formulate some tables relating your comparison of results. So in order to explain that tables, result tables and comparative tables, so you can use this option called explain the table. So you can just copy and paste the table in this template. So just click on this explain the table template. So you can just copy and paste the table here. Automatically the explanation of the content will be generated. So like that you can make use of this option explain the table template. So next one is that summarizer. So if you want to summarize the content, so you can use this option to summarize the content also. So next one is generate MATLAB code. So if you are struggling to write a MATLAB code, so this generate MATLAB code will be very helpful for you. So just to give the input prompt, automatically your code will be generated. For example, generate a MATLAB code for PSO MPPT algorithm. So you can ask any MATLAB code, so depending upon your stream, so it will generate answer for you. So please always be sure that, so what the research prompt you are giving must be very precise and correct. You have to mention the method name, so thereby only it will generate a perfect content for you. So if you want to draw or graphs or charts, so you can use this same option in this generate MATLAB code. So you can ask to generate that is, you can copy and paste a table and ask to generate a graphs and charts using MATLAB code. So that can be also will be done in this generate MATLAB code. So here comes our PSO based MPPT algorithm. So a perfect MATLAB code will be generated. So I can assure that you can copy and paste this MATLAB code. So you can customize this MATLAB code depending upon your application. So surely this will work, but the important thing is that, so depending upon the design of your that is ratings and power ratings, etc., there are many parameters associated with your paper and applications. So accordingly you have to customize this MATLAB code. So thereby surely it will get work for you. The next important thing is that that reference style converter. So if you want to convert the reference styles, for example, from APA to IEEE format, IEEE to Chicago format, so what, in order to change the format of your references, you can use this kind of option called reference style converter. So and then you can generate content, that is change the reference style also. So apart from this, you will be having another template called a blog article. So if you want to write a blog article, so you can use this blog article. So after completing all your paper, so you have to go for grammar correction. So this grammar corrector template is precisely designed to check a grammar for you. So it will automatically correct the grammar and it will give you a grammatical mistake free content for you. So make use of this option in this grammar corrector template. So these are the different types of options available in LMS AI. So especially this AI tool is designed to make your research paper writing simple.